Okay, now we are still looking at integration, and I'm trying to create a foundation for us so that by the time I start solving some complex questions, it won't look difficult to you. It won't look what is this Mr. Simeon trying to explain here? So I'm trying to create a foundation for us. Now we are going a step further today, and in this video we want to see how to integrate a power function in integration. Imagine we are given something like okay, let's say imagine we are given something 3x plus 5 raised to the power of 5 dx. This is not quite easy to integrate. We are asked to find something like this. Find the integral. Find that with respect to x. Now we are asked to find this. The time we have to use binomial to expand this. Expanding it takes a long time to expand. So I'm going to show us we want to see a technique today called change of variable method. Change of variable method. We use this change of variable method to evaluate or determine an integral of a function that we are given. So now in this we will now say let our u be equals to 3x plus 5. Okay, now once we have done that, our du dx, you take the derivative. That's 3. Now we have that. Now the next thing we need to do is we are changing the variables. We have been able to say that our u should be equal to 3x. We need to also find a way of changing this. So we make dx. Sorry, we need to clean this. So the du dx equals to 3. So dx will be equal to our dx will be equal to du over 3. So we have that. Now once we have done this, you can now replace this. So I will now say this is my u raised to the power of 5. Instead of writing dx, I'm going to write something else. I'm going to write because dx is equals to du over 3. So I'm going to replace this. I'm going to replace dx with du over 3. So now that 1 over 3 is a constant. We can bring it out. It doesn't disturb your workings. U raised to the power of 5 du. You're almost true. So we can apply so this man becomes so easy for us to integrate. So this will now become 1 over 3. So let's put this. This will now become u 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. So plus our arbitral constant. So this will become 1 over 3 u raised to the power of 6 plus 6 plus c. So we have that. Let me put this in bracket. So what we have at the end of the day is this. That's 1 over 18. 1 over 18 u raised to the power of 6 plus c. So our final, we can write it like this: 1 over 18 3x plus 5 raised to the power of 6 plus c. So that's it. We are true. Now I want to take note of something, that if you are given ax plus b raised to the power of n, so assume you are given something that is, we are not supposed to show your workings. It's multiple choice questions. We don't have time to start going through all this. So there's a short method you can use. So we're going to use this particular example I'm working now to help us. So we have to find the integral of this. Now the first thing you can say, let our u, just follow this step, let u be equal to ax plus b. So our du dx is equals to a. That is what that gives us. So if that is the case, so this man, then my dx is equals to du over a. Now you can rewrite this, bring it down. So this man now becomes u raised to the power of n, u raised to the power of n dx. So my dx is same thing as du over a. So don't forget that. Yeah. You can see it very well. This a is an arbitrary constant. You can bring it out. 1 over a. So this u raised to the power of n du. So we have that. So I think with what we have done now, what we need to do is easy. So we are 1 over a. You can easily take the integral of this. This will now be u n plus 1 n plus 1 plus over c. Almost true. So 1 over a. Remember that. So remember that our u is same thing as ax plus b raised to the power of n plus 1 plus c. So invariably, so if we are asked to determine, so this will give me 1 over a. Let me bring all this. So this is the integral. So I don't need to, let me show you an example what I'm talking about. Um, 5x plus 7 plus 9 raised to the power of 7 dx. So according to the formula, it says that 1 over a, so this one will be 1 over 5. Our a here is 5. This is our a, and that's our a. That's 1 over 5 in bracket. So we now have 5x plus 9 raised to the power of 8, because this is n plus 1, n 7 plus 1, that's 8. That will be 8, and then plus c. So in our final line, that will be 1 over 40, and we are true. 5x plus 9 raised to the power of 8 plus c. So this is what we have for this. So if you have any question like this, you can easily use this. If you notice that this is the type of question they gave you, so you just apply this instead of going through the lengthy process of saying let you be this. If it's a multiple choice questions and nobody is asking you to show your workings, just use that. It's quite easy and you're true. So if you enjoyed this video, try to subscribe to this channel or click the notify button, so when I release a new video you will be notified and you can watch. So you won't miss any video. As I'm taking this little by little, you will be able to have a firm grip on integration, and we'll move to other different topics like that. So if you don't understand, if you I'm not explaining so deep, remember it's not quite easy to type maths, so trying to explain in detail is quite difficult. So this is not normal English, and typesetting it's not funny for me. So try to bear with me if you feel that I should take more time to explain. There are certain things I cannot quickly type on the keyboard. So in the next video, be expectant. I will go more deeper than this. So we'll see then. God will keep you.